Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure someone go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I'm in my room. I don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is well known that some of the legal tactics are most of the legal tactics used by the prosecution was not only used to delay court proceedings, but also to dismantle and try to destroy Vybz Kartel's musical legacy, viewers and subscribers. And Adi Jayden Records, a record label owned by Vybz Kartel, was also one of the entities caught in the crossfire of that. Now, the record label itself was still intact, but the group signed to the record label, Portmore Empire, was disbanded, and the artists were released by Vybz Kartel. He was quoted as saying it would probably be unfair to them based on what is taking place with the CEO himself, and Vybz Kartel was definitely the driving force, the creative factor of that record label, that group, and also the production visionary. Now, viewers and subscribers, freedom is a must, and we know this. And by all indications, viewers and subscribers, from statements from Little Addy himself, viewers and subscribers, that will be soon and very soon. Now, Little Addy was quoted as saying he, along with older brother, yes, Little Vybz, will be taking the reins of the record label, viewers and subscribers. Yes, taking reins of the record label Adi Jayden Records. He was quoted as saying it's only a matter of time before everything falls into place. Definitely a youth wise years beyond the age. The way he articulate himself in the interview, I forgot to drop a reasoning about that for itself. What is also unique about the statement is that he disclosed that they were planning to sign artists to the label, and that they were leaving the producing side, yes, the production side of the record label, to their younger brother, Iko, World Boss Jr. himself, viewers and subscribers. Now, as I said, it is widely known that the tactics used, viewers and subscribers, was to dismantle the legacy of Vybz Kartel, as we have heard from the based on statements made, and also from the proof of work. The Palmers are the Marleys of dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. And I was one of the first persons to state that, based on the fact that Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, was not only an artist in which had his children doing music, but the whole production side, the fact that there was already a record label for them to inherit, a strong legacy, viewers and subscribers, for them to build on. Now, the state has not won. The powers that be have failed, viewers and subscribers, and the record label will rise even stronger, with Little Vybz and Little Addy moving that record label onward into the future. No confirmation if that means that Short Bass Music, Vybz Kartel Music, and also Adiana Music would be joining forces for one super label, or this would just be the entity that Little Vybz and Little Addy will be running for themselves. It more sounds like that though. It more sounds like Little Vybz and Little Addy are going to take charge of this particular record label, seeing that no artist is currently signed to the record label. because the group itself was disbanded. And everybody had their own different things are going on. And in that reasoning within itself, the teacher said him feel like it would be unfair for them. Now, most of the talk is always that Vybz Kartel is an artist who bad mind. But here is proof again. Said these are just statements from those who are what? Naysayers. The teacher released the artist. And we know for a fact that majority of these artists, Vanessa, Sheba too, even though she make her statements in 2020, them still go on stage, go perform the hit songs written and produced for them by Vybz Kartel. Still a eat a food off of the tracks today. Still can go, they go perform them to today's date. Artists who are trying for whole another artist would not choose to do that. Remember him release Popcorn, which was instrumental when him got signed with Mix Pack, drop him album. The work when they put in while being around the Vybz Kartel. You catch the ears, direct them. We know what going on with that. And you know what I mean? The rest was history for him. You know it got. The teacher continues to be one of those artists who are build champions. And the state tried to sabotage all of that. Just putting it out there. They have failed miserably. The record label is still strong and well. All artists that were signed to the record label who still have that passion for music are still doing music today. And doing extremely well too. Popcorn. Even Tammy Sparta going through his most recent legal troubles right now. You know what I mean? Build up the Spartan. All supporters for the Spartan. Spartan has been remanded again. So, you know what I mean? There was no clear indications why he was remanded, but just that he was. And, you know what I mean? Then put it off again. Even though they must say that clear-cut case where them find him with something. Normally, my thing is either you enter your plea of guilty or not guilty and then move forward and then present what them present, and you know, it would be a smooth process. But I guess for Tommy Lee Sparta, some of the time, or they might try to get back some time out. By delays, and then sentence is almost like you do double the amount of years where you even get sentenced to. So, you know, I guess that's the opinion of most in the streets. Tell me how you feel about that too. Within itself, but definitely an exciting moment, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna say, Little Addy definitely articulated himself extremely well. Never nervous, never shaky, never had a spin in him chair like some artists. Never had a turn and a going like him confused, like he don't know where he was. No, not those time I lead him for the youth. Even when he must press to answer questions where you know he never feel like we talk about on national television, being that it was a question that was not just for him alone to answer. Simple as that. You know what I mean? It was a giant union, so and not just something that him alone could answer. So he chose not to answer it. I'm gonna wrong the youth. Winford, where you try there if you know where you do to you know. No you do, Winford. We're not afraid to say no you do. Anyway, it was definitely a moment for us to see that Little Addy hearing the news of, you know, that Aiko would be participating in the music industry as well. And, you know, Little Vybz, along with him himself, Little Addy, will be taking the reins of the record label. Was definitely a good look. You know what I mean? An exciting moment and something where people will be talking about for days to forward. Talk to me in the comment section, let me know how you feel about it too. Let me know what you feel about it. Which artists you feel like should be signed to the record label. Who do you think Little Vybz or Little Addy should sign to the record label? Right now, tell me a list of artists who you feel like out there that are unsigned. Recently we hear Jayden say, yo, because of lack of management, she might take a break from the music industry. Tell me how you feel about that. Talk to me and let me know what you feel about that, viewers and subscribers. Do you feel that the artists them to start sign right now? Get the ball rolling. But it's the one called Jayden, she's the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I said, reminding them, know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you to hit the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the something go. But I said the one, as a matter of fact, comment section open 24/7 never lack yet. Just be respectful of them and mindful of the guidelines and drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Drop a like and bust a share. They are both located in close proximity of each other. You can drop a like and then bust a share and tell a friend, tell them sister and then brother them for check out the channel and check out the reasoning. Yeah man, up move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love and prosper until the reason again.